Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, the man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, but a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has just given Koffe the summer certification, viewers and subscribers, via the Instagram story post. And that track, LockDown, viewers and subscribers, we can't go around it. Definitely doing extremely well on the YouTube platform. You know what I mean? I have not checked the statistics on other charts, because you know we have to factor in other charts, and we're talking about a hit track. I must still say cute rider for the ladies is that summer track, viewers and subscribers. But the song gained over 1 million views in about 2 or 3 days. People had things to say about the video and the settings of the song and the lyrical content. You know what I mean? Some people are saying Koffe fall to the closet. No, about that something there. You know what I mean? I will say though, the song definitely gain a whole heap of views. People never hear no recent tracks from her, and that really get people buzzing. You know what I mean? And she's set to release another song on the 30th. I think the single is called Pressure. And I think about 2 years now since Koffe a performed a song there on stages. So people glad for years so them have a music video for that track in particular. I will say this though, for the Vybz Kartel say this, I say, yeah, watch you know, that track there, a big track. That's something big in a dancehall music. That's something big in a Jamaican music, reggae and dancehall. Koffe, being someone from the Spain, but no, she definitely grew up and listen to Vybz Kartel music. You know what I mean? And here she drop some lyrical content, and the way she drop her verse, man, no, she have lyrics. So no doubt she have respect for Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. I don't know no artist we fought from Spain. We don't respect Vybz Kartel legacy viewers and subscribers. No artists from Chronics to whichever artist you attack, even artists were in the game before Vybz Kartel will tell us, oh, the teacher, yeah man, lyrically unmatched. Lyrically unmatched. And if you see the teacher say, watching a Koffe, yeah, that's track there. Certified hit. It's a good look. People like act like say, oh, Vybz Kartel is not an artist. So do pay homage to the foundation artists that were found in the game before him. And also big up the youth. When the youth are do well in a music. When some youth not do well, the teacher say, well, some youth not do well. Remember when a track did a trend and the teacher said, boy, the views don't look organic. Koffe video do it. All the teacher says, big up Koffe. Vybz Kartel response about YouTube views, viewers and subscribers. No, the teacher at level. Even at this point in time, I don't think any established artist is that concerned about views only right here on the platform. A big name artist knows watching. You have the iTunes charts, you have the Spotify charts, you have charts all over where people are doing purchase music. So some people opt for say watching. As long as the song is being purchased and the fans are showing their support that way. As long as the song is being viewed. Remember when artists make their songs available on the YouTube platform, it's for the fans. So that fans can enjoy the music. So whether or not the song trends, yes or no, remember this was an act done for the enjoyment of the fans. So as long as the fans get to see the video, get to hear the music, it's a win for everybody involved. So for the people who feel like say Vybz Kartel is concerned about trending, concerned about no. In our Grammy we are reason about. This is a different discussion. We are having a different discussion. While some people are talking about views in respect of their news, we are saying watching Vybz Kartel album. Grammy for the dancehall. It hasn't been done in recent years. That's what we are discussing. So, you know what I mean? We have to put this out there. So yes, Vybz Kartel big up Koffe and the fact that our song is doing extremely well. We big up, who forget big up. Who wanna mention know why we wanna mention them. And them know what them do. We don't hear nobody say, oh, we see Koffe song as ads all over. No, we don't hear nobody say that. And remember, Koffe signed to a conglomerate. Columbia Records is a conglomerate. So we don't expect nothing less with a marketing power from, you know what I mean, the big name, the big record label. So it not surprise me to know say yeah, our song trend and our song get X amount of views, you know. She has used the platform that she has been bestowed with, or that has been bestowed upon her. She has used it the right way, you know. And the thing with a record label is, them kind of tell you when to put out music. So, you know, you're not gonna really hear or drop songs like one after the other, one after the other. Vybz Kartel is not only a recording artist, not only a songwriter, not only an entrepreneur, but also a record label executive. So if you can say, watching 2 tracks today, I will give them 2 music videos a month. Very few artists can make these executive decisions. Very, very few. I'll hear some people talk about, yeah man, them are this and them are that. Very few artists have that level of control over them own career. Vybz Kartel own him masters. They talk about some facts in the game. For aspiring artists, when you reach in the game, you understand what is owning your own masters. And that's something that should be taken lightly. And every artist we hear of a big track, you can say, yo, we own the masters for that track. Some people can say so, some people can't. You know what I mean? So, at this point in time, it's a good look for music overall. We like to see when Jamaican music, Jamaican artists are doing well, because that is a highlight for Caribbean culture, Jamaican culture, and the Jamaican art form of music. Because people like to feel like, say, oh, the music is stagnant. No! See, we have young stars that do it. And you know, when they have to talk about, you know what I mean, our preferences in the bedroom, when they have to talk about that. You know what I mean? When what is revealed will be revealed, then we can discuss that at that point. But right as we're not going to speculate on that. This is not a reasoning about that. But people have been talking. Yeah, we hear what going on. We hear some statements that are being made, and we know it's a copy of found out to really clarify. And that has only added to the speculation. Because she have thought from clarify, and then the lyrical content of this track, the flow, the vibe, you know what I mean, what she definitely sing about. But as them say, a songwriter can sing from or sing about the experiences of others. It's just that being what people are talking about Koffe, to hear or sing it from that perspective, they must say, wait, it's almost a confirmation. Some people say them been know that I'm not care. You don't know. Talk to me in the comment section. Talk to me. Some people that's a double standard. Yo, all I know is that the song have X amount of views, the teacher big up the artist, someone need to stop door, put some type of thing for an artist. But notice when them can't talk about your talent, you know. It's in the game, when them can't critique your talent, them spread all kind of stories about it. Notice, for any artist who career is doing well, and them a put out good music, and them a make the right moves, and them can't talk about the music, notice that the lifestyle them start to talk about. Whether you are wear that type of clothes there, whether them see over there, so whether you are affiliated with these people, I be taught them start to make things separate and apart from music, because them can't talk about the music. Notice when they now put out good music, and you know, them just get to the point and talk, so you know, put out good music. But for the naysayers are people who like to spread certain things from artists. Yo, I feel like we have to cease and desist. Because at the same time, when you try to pull down certain artists, you know, pull down the music, whoever up what is a down. Whoever up what is a down, we are doing this, try to pull down artists anyway, that the wrong angle. We should be uplifting our stars. We should celebrate when people from the island win. And if something happen, and you know what I mean, them go against what we fundamentally believe in as a people, then we can discuss that at that point in time. But until then, they make some people tell you stuff to do. You know what I mean? Ray, no, we have our own mind. Think for yourself. If you see the signs, well, you have seen the signs. And then you know what you know. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too, drop a like on the blog for my life we are here. Bust a share on the blog, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via that comment section. You man, now move settings fam, and we don't need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and girls are gonna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.